Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Khoirul. I'm from 2TBI, study number 2017 404001. My main goal of teaching is to impart knowledge and to train students thinking patterns. Besides, teaching is the transfer of culture in the form of experience, skills to our students of efforts to pass on the culture of society to the next generation. I want to be a good teacher, have a sense of purpose, be hope for success for all students, demonstrate a willingness to adapt and change to meet students' needs, reflects commitment to work, enjoy the job of being a teacher, be patient, give affection to students as so much as I can. The competency that I must have in order to become a professional teacher is to have the skill or abilities that must be possessed so that the teacher's task can be complete profile. Mastering competency standard or key instance, basic competitions or KD lessons and learning objective of a lesson type. The learning theory that I will use is the humanistic learning theory because the humanistic theory is a theory that feels that the learning process will be said to be successful if students are able to understand themselves and their environment. In general, humanistic learning theory is a learning method that focuses on students in order to develop their potential. The approach I will use is the problem-solving approach because students are encouraged to use their knowledge and skills they already have to apply to solving problems that are readily encountered or still not mastered. Learning with problem solving aims to enable students to use their thinking as broadly as possible. In rational thinking, students are required to use logic to determine cause and effect analysis, predict, and draw conclusions. The methods I will use is a discussion method designed in a discussion forum between students. Here, students must be able to solve problems through group discussion. To start this method, I divide students into several groups. The members of each group also vary. The variation is expected to be able to diversify opinions so that conclusions are obtained that are concordant with the subject matter I gave. In order for teaching activities to run effectively, I will 1. Choose teaching methods according to student needs. 2. Arrangements of teaching material. 3. With good communication. There are 4 things I will do in overcoming learning difficulties, namely providing remedial teachings, providing repetition of material, enrichment, providing motivation to learn, developing good attitudes and study habits. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.